Hello, this is Matt from Ramsden Van Centre. Today we're looking at the 2015 Renault Master fridge freezer van. This van is a medium wheelbase and is available for £10,000 or £55 per week on finance. This van comes with a service history, a Bluetooth radio, has had one owner from new, is twin compartment, electric windows, a spare key, has not been used for fish, electric mirrors, a parking camera, a rear step and a folding passenger seat for curbside deliveries. Absolutely lots of features. Let's take a look in the front. Give you a quick tour around the front. So here is your driver's seat and your folding passenger seat there. Just there is your reversing camera display. And here are your controls for your fridge and your freezer in the back. And just below is your Bluetooth radio. And lastly is your 6-speed gear stick there. Let's take a look in the back. So in the back here, this is your fridge compartment. Very spacious. Just there is your rear step as well. And if we move around, I can show you the freezer compartment. And lastly, I'll show you inside the passenger side door. Let's take a look underneath the bonnet. So we're now looking underneath the bonnet of the 2015 Renault Master fridge freezer van. So let's take a look. All nice and tidy in there. Let's take it for a test drive. So we're now in the 2015 Renault Master fridge freezer van. Going to take it on a quick test drive, so let's start her up. As you can see, starts first time, no issues or weird sounds. Let's go. So this is a 6-speed van. Really nice smooth acceleration, accelerates without any issues. Right up front here you've got controllers for the fridge and the freezer in the back. You've got your radio here as well, and your reverse camera there as well, which is great. As we approach the roundabout, I'm going to do a quick brake test. Brakes are good and reliable, and as you can see, the steering is good and responsive as well. That's going to be it for the tour of the 2015 Renault Master. I hope you guys enjoyed it and I hope you have a nice day.